I have searched everywhere for the keys. I have lost the keys. I cannot find them anywhere. It's got 2 sets of keys, and somehow I've managed to lose both. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be an interesting one today. We've sold the Mini, and I've bought a new project, but it's not arrived yet. It's arriving in about a week. So we're going to start trying to see if we can get my old Allegro that's been sitting here for about 2 years, see if we can get it running and driving. It's in a very bad way. I think the head gasket might be gone on it, I'm not sure. I know there's something wrong with the alternator belt that was squealing its head off. The suspension's collapsed. It just doesn't look good, but yeah, see if we can get it going. This is the suspension I'm talking about. Completely collapsed. I can't even fit my fingers in between there.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is now 3 weeks later since I filmed the beginning of this video. I thought I would just get in it, chuck a battery on it, see if we can get it started. I have searched everywhere for the keys. I have lost the keys. I cannot find them anywhere. It's got 2 sets of keys, and somehow I've managed to lose both. No idea how, but so yesterday I was here all day, and I managed to, from an old Mini, I had an old steering lock with a key. So I've managed to get this one out. This is the Allegro one. Looks very similar. So I managed to get that out and just put the Mini one in, which we have a key for, which should work. There's no battery on it now, but yeah, whenever you're taking one of these out, just getting these shear bolts off is very difficult. But yeah, so I put this in and then hooked up the battery just to test to see if the key was working, and literally I went like that, turned it like that, and honest to God, the thing tried to fire up. So I think it's going to run literally on the button. I do remember one of the reasons I stopped running it was because this alternator was squealing like hell. And even if I tightened the belt, it whined. If I loosened it, it squealed. I couldn't do anything with it. So, and I think we had a bit of a head gasket issue around here. Apart from that, great. Yeah, so I'm going to chuck some leads on it and see if it goes. I think fingers crossed, I think it's going to fire straight up. All right. I mean, that's running, apart from the squeal from the alternator, perfectly. Literally no smoke at all. Well, rev counter doesn't work. Try and turn this choke off. See if it idles. Oh, I don't think it's going to. Running very well. Oh. Alright, so the next thing really is, do I have clutch? Do I have brakes? And can we drive this thing out of here? I haven't tested any of these yet, so I'll put all this back together in a minute. God, there's flies everywhere in here. That goes on there. Just like that. Okay, so go for clutch. Oh, I think it feels like there's a clutch. Feels good. And then the brakes. I mean, to be honest, they're rock hard too. It feels like all three of those are all good. That's not a good idea. Not opening that again. Alright, here it is. It got here, it drives, it stops. It's not making the best of noises. This suspension is absolutely destroyed on this side. It's completely collapsed. You can see where I pulled the wing out, just trying to drive it around there. I've ripped the wing out. It's so low. Yeah, just I'll give you a bit of a walk around and show you how bad it really is. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to try and do is try and pump up this suspension so we can actually drive it off, turn it around and come back, because at the moment I can't actually turn because it's scraped so badly. I've got this little pump. I've done it before, but it seems to go down again. I'm not sure why. I'm going to try pumping it up. I have actually replaced these before, but yet it still collapses. I don't know why. But yeah, let's see if we can pump it up. I'm going to jack it up just to take a bit of the pressure off, because I don't think the valve on this is that great. Alright, so I changed the alternator. Here's the one that was on it. I can't actually see anything wrong with it. I don't know why it wasn't working. It's currently working and not squealing. Fans have just come in, so it's keeping itself cool. They've just turned off again. Yeah, we're going to drive it up the road, and not on the road. We're going to go just up there and then back again, just to see how it does. Alright, so here it is. I've tried polishing it up a bit. I mean, on the camera it probably looks great, to be honest, but it's not that good. It needs a deep polish with the machine. The paint's really faded. I've just put some wax on it. I mean, it looks okay. Surprisingly, the condition's actually not that bad. There's a bit of rust on this side and a bit of rust on the door the other side, but the rest of it looks alright. I'm gonna take it to the petrol station, put some petrol in it. Yeah, just see if it will get me home first. Alright, so that's probably going to be it for this video. We got the Allegro out of its resting place and back on the road. It's not quite back on the road. I really haven't done any checks. I'm just shined it up, but it'll be fine. I'm going to take it home and see how it gets on the road. If I have any serious problems, it will go back where we found it, or we'll fix them. We'll fix them is what we're going to do. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you like watching me rescue stupid things like this, subscribe.